Alright, and what you didn't see is after I drew the line and removed the template, I took the Dremel tool and just followed the lines along on all sides and made sure the corners were square. Any place there were burrs, you just take the sandpaper or a file them down to make sure the part can sit flat when you're all done. And then we'll take the 90-degree Pool Deck Drain Janitor. You have to put this back corner in first, so kind of tilt it on an angle, wiggle it into place, and then you take one end, you grab it about halfway between here with 2 fingers, slightly bow it, use your thumb to push it back in that direction, then release it once it snaps down into place, and then do the same thing on the other side. 2 fingers, you grab it, slightly bow it, not too much, it's plastic, it can break. Once you see it snaps down, you release it, and the part snaps into place. That's it. Hope the video helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at deckdrainjanitor@gmail.com. Thanks, and have a good day.